My full name is Mohammed Salim, and I'm a service engineer for Domix, and everyone knows me as Mo. I was out to work for a little while, and while I was driving around, I saw Domix van, and saw they do appliance servicing, and I dropped them an email, and then they called me in for an interview, and moved on from there. Everyone here, I mean, Ross and Radis say it again and again, it's like a second family, and it is. I can talk to Ross or Ryder at any time. Very comfortable talking with them with any problems. If as a new product, then I will be dropped an email or message to say to come in. There's this new products that we're going to be working on. Come in. Then Val, the manager, technical manager, will run us through the training. A lot of training is done downstairs. They call us in, and training is given to us by the manager or supervisor. They send you away to college as well. It's a good feeling when you've gone home that you've. It's strange, but after you repaired a machine, you've completed a project for somebody, and you've got somebody out of a problem. Really, it's nice to work for Domix because, again, whenever you've got a problem, an issue, there's always somebody to talk to in the particular department.